I need you to have proper lighting. If at all you are like us who are in United Arab Emirates, we're ever in closed doors, we don't have access to go outside, you need lighting, so your room should have enough light. Hi lovelies, did you know that over 52% of the YouTubers who post consistently are earning above $1,000? Okay, let's say they are earning $1,000. And not only that, the majority of the content creators on YouTube are going to the extent of earning $4,000 US dollars on a monthly basis. You guys, but before we dive into this, how to earn $4,000 on YouTube, we mean in the month of January in 2025 and beyond, let's first dive in and say congratulations to everybody that has watched 2025. If you know you're watching me right now, it means you're in 2025. Happy New Year. You guys, this is a year of productivity. This is a month of putting our strong foundation. Let's dive in today and look at the ways to earn $4,000 US dollars on YouTube. If you're there and you're a naysay, you are a person who is always doubting, please pass. I think this video is not for you. But if you know really in 2025 you want to sit with me and we make enough money on YouTube, please get your pen or get your PC and we start right away. We are going to be laying down the strategies of how to earn $4,000 US dollars on YouTube and how to make this money. And nevertheless, if you know you've not been earning on YouTube, we can start earning at $1,000 US dollars. How are we going to earn it? You guys, we're going to be looking into different segments in this video. We're going to be looking around 4 segments. Please bear with me. Let's look for how we can make money in this 2025. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how you can make $4,000 US dollars per month on YouTube, starting with right now. And we're also going to see exactly, even if you have no subscriber, can you earn? Yes, you can earn. What about how do you start your channel, YouTube channel? Because I know there are some people who don't know how to start their YouTube channel. Then we're going to also see how to build your audience and also how to monetize. After monetizing, can I get money? How to really stay in the game, because some people are monetized and they have never seen a dime, but you are not among them since you're watching Market Show in 2025. Let's dive in the first segment. The first segment is why start a YouTube channel in 2025. There are like 4 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel in 2025. One, it's because of its audience. Now YouTube has a massive audience to the extent that 2.5 billion users worldwide are glued on YouTube, and instead the audience is even growing. So there is a niche for everybody. I know there is a niche for you, there's a niche for another person. Everybody has a cake to share on this. Then the second reason why you should open a YouTube channel is diverse revenue stream. It's YouTube that has different ways of earning. You can earn from AdSense revenue, you can earn from brand sponsorship, you can earn from affiliate marketing, you can earn from merchandising your products, everything. Then the third one, why you need to start a YouTube channel, there is all tools. This is the third reason for you to know that in 2025, that as we entered, our tools are major things that we are focused on. Gone are the days when we would struggle doing transcripting, we'd struggle doing a lot of things. Now, the all tools like ChatGPT are making us do a lot of things. The all editing tools, they are making their software become very top notch. So creating and optimizing content is very easy for you and for me. That's why I encourage you guys, just get your gadget and let's start on. So whether you're passionate about anything, are you in cooking, are you in education, are you in tech reviews, are you in lifestyle, gaming, name it, there is meat for you here, there is money for you. You guys, let's jump into a second segment. The second segment is how to start your YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel? If you don't have a YouTube channel, relax, don't mind. We're going to make you go through. What you need to do, I want you to go choose first something you should do first before anything. Choose your niche. A niche, most people don't know about a niche. Someone was asking me, what do you niche? And is on YouTube. A niche is something that you're going to specialize, that you feel confident in. Even if you wake up, you can talk about it. Like this topic I'm giving you right now, I did not get it from anywhere. I didn't go for research. But because I know I'm already passionate, it's very easy for me. So the moment you choose a niche, you're going to choose a topic, you're going to pick also you're going to pick the area of conversant, the area that you really know that you can do better. Like in 2025, you need to select a niche that is going to give you money, not only to give you views. There are some different niches that I've been telling you about here, and we have like a personal finance, we have health and wellness, we have alt tools, we have productivity tips. These ones are very popular and they are paying well. So at least you have a guidance now. You can choose from these ones. I really advise you that in 2025, please let's focus on evergreen content. I think after this video, I'll be bringing for you on how evergreen content has really pushed me up. Today I'll be having 2 views, but tomorrow you'll find there are 10, next day there are 15. They are increasing because it is evergreen. Then 2, under how to start your YouTube channel. The moment you finish picking your niche, I need you to create your channel. Now, how do you create your channel? Straight away go to your Google account. That is, you can also go to click create channel, because if you have the YouTube, everybody has a YouTube channel there. The only thing you need is go there, click create account. The moment you create account, it will bring for you what to do. It will ask you to fill in your names, to choose the type of password, to choose the type of account you want. So what you do that, follow the instruction. If you don't know how to follow instruction, you can also write it in the comment section. I take you step by step. Then the third step under the second segment is to invest in basic equipment. When we talk about basic equipment, I mean a smartphone which can give you a clear image. I need you to have proper lighting. If at all you are like us who are in United Arab Emirates, wherever in closed doors, we don't have access to go outside, you need lighting, so your room should have enough light. Then the third one is to have like a mic. When you have a simple mic, even if you have this one, no need to have those sophisticated ones when you're starting. That is a fast way for you to do something that can be watched. Then the fourth on the second segment is plan your content. How do you plan your content? You research. When you research, how do you research? There are some people who say, where will I research? When I started, I was researching on YouTube, I was researching on Google, but now sometimes I use alt tools to search. I go to the extent of using even social media platforms to see what is happening there. And also I use VIDQ, so you can use the same. Then you can also use high quality thumbnails, and also you outline your first 5 to 10 videos with catchy titles. That is how you can plan. Then the fifth on the second segment is to upload consistently. I've been telling people of uploading consistently, and I've also seen people really, if you upload consistently, it rewards you. So for you to catch up, you need to do that. Let's go to the third segment. The third segment, if in 2025 we want to earn $4,000 per month, we need to do, it's you people, the goal is that. But is it easier? If you know you're already monetized, let's talk about now how to get this $4,000 in your account on every month. One, you have to you can monetize with ad revenue. These are different ways of you to monetize. Ad revenue, this is when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then after you setting your account, YouTube, the algorithm allows the advertisers to put ads on your videos in the middle. It can be the beginning one, the mid rolls, and all others. You earn from there. What I advise you here is to make longer videos, 8 minutes and above. You can do adjustments, and the more you have the ads, the more the money that you're going to get, and it increases the chance of you getting high revenue. Then we have the second way to earn from YouTube. It is sponsorship. Brand sponsorship is very common. I've met people, even seen the local ones, as when they know you and you have, they say, okay, can you start advertising my brand, and they pay you. That is one way of making money. But now what do? What I always encourage people to do is to make sure that they mind about their audience, because with brand sponsorship they will be seeing how is your audience, the audience, that the way it is active, the way it engages. So with people, they will be approaching you, these brands will be approaching you to promote their products, to promote the products they have, whether services, whether the real products, they will approach you. And that one can make you earn money irrespective of what whether you have reached the threshold or not. Then the third one of earning money on this, for us to see, these are the different methods for us to earn on YouTube. We have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sign up for different programs on some websites like Amazon, like ClickShare. With the moment you sign for them, you be affiliate marketeer, and you take up a role of advertising the products using their links. Then we have channel membership. Channel membership is and super thanks. That is when your community or your audience gives you like super chats. They give you in form of money. Then for membership, you put some amount of money for members to join your membership. So those members will be getting like exclusive information. Like for Immaculate, we go deep in details to make sure that you learn how to make money online. So this, now that we have known how to make money online as on YouTube, can we dive in and go to the first segment? The first segment is about tips for growing your channel so quickly. How do you grow your channel so quickly? There are different ways of tips, and there are some people who have grown their channels in different ways, and I've grown my channel in different way. But I'm going to give you the common one. I might have used them, and some of them I might not have used them, but these are authentic. The first one is using keywords. In whatever you're doing, you people use keywords. When you optimize your videos with tags and even title and description, they are distributed everywhere. What you do, I always tell you, for you to optimize, me, I use VIDQ. It has two sides. It has the premium and it has also the free one. Then the second one on how you can really grow your channel is to engage with audience. It is to collaborate with other partners, as in terms of creators. It is to analyze your performance by using your analytics, and leverage on shorts. Shorts can make you grow so fast. You guys, I don't want to make this video very long, but the aim is for us to make 4,000 US dollars. We can easily make 4,000 US dollars in this month of 2020, in this year of 2025, on every month, whether we are starting from scratch or we already have a channel. What we need to do is to focus, and we know that there are different ways of earning on YouTube. If we leverage on something like 3 to 4, we are going to hit the 4,000 very easily. Now you guys, as you watch this video up to this, I think you should have been inspired. If you know you have been inspired, please share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like, comment. You know, this is 2025, and this is, or is it the first video in 2025? We have to make it work. Let me see you in another video.